Hi dear students, welcome to Mohan School of Maths. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ഓപ്പറേഷൻസ് ഓൺ സെറ്റ്സ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. യൂണിയൻ ഓഫ് ടു സെറ്റ്സ്, ഇൻ്റർസെക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ടു സെറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഓഫ് ടു സെറ്റ്സ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് പ്രധാന കൺസെപ്റ്റുകൾ നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഒന്ന് കോംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് എ സെറ്റ്, ആൾസോ വാട്ട് ഡി മോർഗൻസ് ലോ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഇറ്റ്സ് മീ മോഹൻ. So once again, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss complement of a set. Complement of a set. We consider U is an universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And let A is equal to A, B, C and what B is equal to D, E, F, G are what two subsets. Okay. U is a universal set and what A and B are two subsets. Now, what is U minus A? The difference between U and A is equal to, from U, we remove what A. We get what? D, E, F, G, H. And what is U minus B? The difference between U and B. That's equal to, from universal set, we remove what? B, we get what? A, B, C, H. So, this U minus A is called complement of A. U minus A is called complement of A, or U minus B is called what? No, complement of B. So we can use A dash for representing what? Complement. So A dash is equal to, means A complement is equal to what? U minus A. Okay, here what is B complement? So B complement is equal to what? U minus B. So complement means we represent either dash or no, or what? A C. AC means what? A complement. So we write B complement or what? B dash. Okay. You can write B complement. Okay. This also B complement. Okay. So what is complement? Generally, A complement is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to U and what? X not belongs to A. That is equal to what? U minus A. So complement of a set A is the set of all elements in one the universal set U which do not belongs to what? Set A. Okay, the complement of a set A is the set of all elements belongs to the universal set U and what? Which do not belongs to what? Set A. That means U minus A. A complement means what? U minus A. Or we can denote like this: A complement is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to U and what? X not belongs to A. Understand? Now we consider another example. Let U is equal to what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and A is equal to what? Set 3, 4, 6, 7. So what is A complement? A complement is equal to U minus A. From the universal set, we will subtract A minus A. What's remaining? The remaining elements are 1, 2, 5. So A complement is what? 1, 2, 5. Now, what is complement of A complement? A complement we know 1, 2, 5. So what is the complement of A complement? So complement of A complement is equal to, from U we remove what? 1, 2, 5. Okay, from the universal set we remove what? This A complement. We'll get what? That's equal to 3 is remaining, 4, 6 and what? 7. 3, 4, 6, 7. See, this is equal to what? Set A. So it is very clear that complement of A complement is always equal to what? A. This is called what? Double complementation. Complement of A is equal to what? A itself. Okay. We consider another example. Let U is equal to what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and what? Two subsets A is equal to set 2, 3 and B is equal to what? 3, 4, 5. So we already learned the concept of complement. So what is A complement? A complement is equal to, from U minus what? A. We'll get what? 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what is B complement? B complement is U minus B. So from U we must minus B. We'll get what? 1, 2, 6. Okay. Now what is intersection of A complement and B complement? A complement intersection B complement is equal to, here 1 and 6 are what? The common elements. So what? It is what? 1, 6. Okay. Now A union B. What is A union B? A union B means all the elements in what? A and B. So it is what? 2, 3, 4, 5. And A union B complement is equal to what? A union B complement is equal to, from the universal set, B minus what? A union B will get what? Set 1, 6. So from this example, it is very clear that A complement intersection B complement is what? Set 1, 6. And what? A union B complement is also what? Set 1, 6. Both are equal now. So we can write A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. Okay. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is true for any two sets. Okay. Similarly, we can write, see, A intersection B complement. And A intersection B complement, it is equal to A complement union what? B complement. So, complement of union of two sets. Okay. Complement of union of two sets is equal to intersection of their complements. Intersection of their complement. Similarly, complement of intersection of two sets is equal to what? Union of their complements. These two laws are called what? De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws. The name De Morgan is what? Name of a mathematician. Okay. So what is De Morgan's law? It's very important. De Morgan's law is A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. And what? A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union what? B complement. Okay. So we already discussed what? De Morgan's law. It's very important property. Now we will discuss some more important properties. Okay. See on the board, here there is what? A Venn diagram. Here this rectangle represents what? The universal set, and what? The circle represents what? A set A. And so this is set A. What this region represents? This shaded region represents what? It is A complement. So what is A complement? A complement is equal to, from U, B minus what? A. So this shaded region represents what? A complement. Now we are writing some properties. See, what is A union A complement? A union A complement is equal to what? It is very clear. It is what? U. So A union A complement is equal to what? U. Okay. And what is A intersection A complement? A intersection A complement. See, there is no common area in between what? A and A complement. So it is what? Phi. A intersection A complement is phi. There is no common element. Okay. Now what is complement of A complement? I already explained. Complement of A complement is what? A. It's called double complementation. Complement of A complement is A. Now what is phi complement? It is very clear that what is phi complement? Phi complement means U minus phi. It is what? U itself. And what is U complement? It is what? Phi. U complement is phi. These are some properties you have to what? Remember. Okay. Now we can discuss a problem. It's a very simple problem. But it is what? Question from examination paper. Okay. Board exam paper. Okay. See, let what? U is equal to what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And A is equal to what? Set 2, 4, 6, 8. And B is equal to what? Set what? 2, 4, 8. There are three questions. What is question A? Find A complement and what? B complement. Find A complement and B complement. What is question B? Find A union B complement. Find A union B complement. And third question is what? No. Verify that A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. Okay. First you have to find what? A complement. What is A complement? A complement means U minus A. From universal set, we remove what? A. So A complement is equal to U minus A. From the universal set, we remove what? 2, 4, 8, 6 will get what? Set 1, 3, 5. So A complement is what? Set 1, 3, 5. And what is B complement? B complement means U minus B. From the universal set, we subtract what? B will get what? 1, 3, 5, 6. So we got what? A complement and B complement. First part is okay. Now what is we have to find? A union B complement. To find A union B complement, first you have to find what? A union B. So A union B is equal to what? The union of A and B. That's equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, A union B complement is equal to, from the universal set, we would find the difference of A union B. The difference between U and what? A union B is what? A union B complement. That's equal to what? 135. Okay. Now, what is the third question? Verify that A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. Now, we already A union B complement kanduppidichu kazhinju. Now, we have to find what? A complement intersection B complement. See, this is A complement and then the B complement. So, what is the intersection of these two? 1 is a common element, 3 is common, 5 also common. So, A complement intersection B complement is equal to what? 135 aanallo. From this example, A union B complement is equal to 135. A complement intersection B complement is also what? 135. That means what? A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. Okay. Hence, we verify this result. Okay. So, in examination, you can expect these type of questions. Okay. We consider one more example. Okay. Let what U is equal to what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is equal to what? Set 1, 2, 4, 7. And B is equal to what? 1, 3, 5, 7. And there are three questions. What is A? Find A union B. Find A union B. Question B is what? Find A complement and B complement. And answer what? Show that A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. And third question is, the power set of A union B has dash elements. The power set of A union B has dash elements. So, the first question is what? Find A union B. So, what is A union B? A union B is equal to all the elements in what? A and B. So, it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, very clear. Now, we have to find what? A complement. What is A complement? A complement is equal to U minus A. From U, we want minus A. It's remaining what? 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 is A complement. And what is B complement? B complement is equal to what? U minus B. U minus B is equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now we have to show that A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. So what is A union B complement? A union B എന്താണ്? നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ? എന്താണ് A union B? A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 ആണ്. So what is A union B complement? From the universal set, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? We remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. What is remaining? The remaining elements are 6, 8, 9. So A union B complement is equal to what? Set 6, 8, 9. Now A complement intersection B complement. Okay, the common elements in A complement and what? B complement. So this is A complement, this is what? B complement. Which are the common elements? 6, 8, 9 are what? The common elements. So A complement intersection B complement is what? 6, 8, 9. So it is very clear that A union B complement is what? 6, 8, 9. A complement intersection B complement is what? 6, 8, 9. That means what? A union B complement is equal to what? A complement intersection B complement. Okay. Now there is one more question. What is the third question? See, the power set of A union B has dash elements. A union B യുടെ power set il എത്ര elements ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും? ഇവിടെ നോക്കൂ. A union B is equal to what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. How many elements are there? There are 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements? 6 elements. A union B എന്തുണ്ട്? 6 elements ഉണ്ടായതുകൊണ്ട് okay, number of A union B എന്താണ്? 6 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് how many subsets? There are 2 raised to 6 subsets. That means the power set of A union B has 2 raised to 6 elements. The power set of A union B has 2 raised to 6 elements. How much is 2 raised to 6? 2 raised to 6 is what? 64. So there are 64 elements what? In A union B. The power set of A union B. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇതോടുകൂടി നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് ഇവിടെ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് കാണുന്നത് ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാതെയാണെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം. ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്, ഒന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. സോ വി ക്യാൻ സീ യുവർ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്. താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് മൈ ക്ലാസ്.